Guys, we're back in school because yes, it's September. And today we're going to talk about the things we have done this last summer. I'm sure you have to tell me so many things about it, right? Look, I'm going to ask you some questions and using your boards, you just have to answer yes, I have or no, I haven't. Okay? Let's go. The first question is, have you eaten a lemon ice cream? Have you eaten a lemon ice cream? Come on, few seconds. Have you eaten a lemon ice cream? What? Okay. Paula has eaten a lemon ice cream, but the boys haven't. Can you see their answers? She says, yes, I have, and they say, no, I haven't. Okay, one more question. This summer, have you seen turtles under the sea? Have you seen any turtle under the sea this last summer? Come on, few seconds. Oh! Paula has not seen any turtle and nor Paul, but Marcos has. Right. Can you see their answers? She says, no, I haven't. The boy says, no, I haven't. And this third one says, yes, I have. I've also seen a turtle. Yes, I loved it. It was very big. Third question, have you read a book, like a full book, from the beginning to the end? Yes. Have you read a book? Come on, I give you a few seconds. Go, 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 go. Look at those answers. I love them. They three have read a book. Yes. She says, yes, I have. He says, yes, I have. And this one also says, yes, I have. Brilliant. And the fourth question, this last summer, have you listened or have you attended a live music concert? Live music concert. Have you been there? Have you listened like live music? Yeah, again, day 3 did it. Yes, day 3 had. Can you see the answers? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. And yes, I have. What about you? Have you eaten a lemon ice cream? Have you seen turtles under the sea? Have you read a book? And have you attended a live music concert?
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kiddos. Okay, now what? We are going to start with the present perfect. Remember that this time we just have 3 activities that we are going to work with, and every time you finish the activities, what you have to do is you just go in here, you cut any of these happy faces and you stick them on the top. Yep. So let's go with the very first activity here. Okay, present perfect. What is it? The present perfect is a tense that helps us talk about things that happened in our lives, but we don't say exactly when, okay? The form is clear. Subject plus have, has, and past participle. So we really need to remember that every time we see I have eaten, have you played, when you see have or has and a verb in past participle, we are using the present perfect. Yes? So, how is the form? Look, for I, you, we and they, and you plurals, we use have. But for he, she, or it, you can write it here, we use has. Yes? And then the verb in past participle. The past participle forms are forms that we need to memorize. Yes, memorize. Okay, so let's go and see how to ask questions and how to create affirmations or negations by using the present perfect. For the questions, we need to start putting have or has in front. Have Have I, have you, have we eaten? Or for he, she, and it, has he or has she or has it eaten? And then for the answers, yes, I have, or no, I haven't. And for the third person singular, we use has instead of have. Yes, she has, or no, she hasn't, right? So let's go and answer the questions by looking at the images. Have they eaten lemon ice cream? Okay, have they, the girl and the boy, have they eaten lemon ice cream? Yes, he has a lemon ice cream and she has. So yes, they have. Yes, they have. All right, and this is present perfect. So look, have they eaten? We have and eaten, the past participle. Then has she read books? The girl. Has she read books? Are there books here? Yes, there are books. So yes, she have, or yes, she has. Yes, she has, because we have it on in the question. Yes, she has. Has he read books? Has he read books? No, there are no books for him. So no, he hasn't. And then, have they listened live music concert? Have they listened to a live music concert? No, I don't think so. There is no music here. No music. Yes, no music. So no, they haven't. No, they haven't. Yes, no, they haven't. Have they listened a live music concert? And then, has he seen turtles under the sea? Yes, he has, because there is a picture with some turtles on it. So yes, he has. Just pay attention, okay? Very clear. When we are using the present perfect, the only thing you need to pay attention to is that if you see questions starting with have and the verb in past participle, then for the answers we need to keep using the same auxiliaries. Have they eaten? Yes, they have. Has she read? Yes, she has. Has he read? No, he hasn't. Okay? So just pay attention to that and you'll do great. Goodbye.